Alright, today I'm doing an install on my 2017 GT. Got the Coyote Decklid carbon fiber print to replace my GT Decklid. So, the first couple things, already got a little bit of a head start. You want to take your liner out, so that liner we got over here, and then take these bolts, 7mm bolts that are going to be on both sides of the deck lid. Once you expose that there, and that will pop off your or allow you to pop off your deck lid. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now and then move on to the next step. Also want to make sure that you unplug your backup light, backup camera, and you're gonna have to take this off as well before you are able to take that liner out. But yeah, let's move on to the next step. Gosh. Alright, finally got this thing off. Obviously, I would suggest that you get some type of prying tool to get that off. I just kind of manhandled it. It worked, but yeah, as you can see, it took a bit. So, moving on to the next step. Alright, next things, you're going to be take a 5mm socket wrench to get those two bolts out to take your backup camera out. And then you're going to want to take these retainer clips, metal clips on these sides off. I'm just going to use a flathead screwdriver. Hopefully it doesn't take forever again. So I went ahead and installed these retainer clips that you're going to want to take off of the old one. Metal, just again take a flathead screwdriver, pop those off. And I got my backup camera now reinstalled onto the new deck lid. Also, there's going to be these retainer clips over here as well. Best thing I did was just take a flathead screwdriver again and just pop those off. There's going to be 4 of those on your old one, and then just replace them back onto this. It's going to be a pain, honestly, to get those back on these, on the new one, but just got to take that flathead and just kind of jam it in there. But yeah, moving on to the next step. Alright, now that that's on there, just gonna replace your 7mm nuts on both sides. Just those screws, maybe 4 of them, and then put everything back in reverse order, and that should be it. Finished product. Looks pretty good to me. Thanks for watching.